Hey and welcome to day third of the day English speaking sentences right here on Learn English Sentences. So in this video I'm gonna share some really advanced sentences and this is the third part of this video. So if you are new here, so please subscribe to this channel just down there and also give it a thumbs up. Okay, so let's get going. तो तुम आ रही हो या नहीं? So are you coming or not? So are you coming or not? अभी मैं तुमसे कुछ नहीं कह सकती. Right now I can't say anything to you. Right now I can't say anything to you. मैं जानता हूँ मुझ पर तुम्हारा बहुत एहसान है. I know I owe a lot to you. I know I owe a lot to you. लेकिन मैं तुम्हारी अब और मदद नहीं कर सकता. But I can't help you anymore. But I can't help you anymore. मैंने देखा वहाँ क्या हुआ था. I saw what happened there. I saw what happened there. तुमने बिल्कुल सही किया. You did absolutely the right thing. You did absolutely the right thing. देखो मेरे पास इस सब के लिए समय नहीं है. Look, I haven't got time for all this. Look, I haven't got time for all this. मुझे लगता है तुम एक बड़ी गलती कर रहे हो दोस्त. I think you are making a big mistake. I think you are making a big mistake. तुम पूरी रात कहाँ थे? Where were you all night? Where were you all night? तुम कम से कम फ़ोन तो उठा सकते थे. You could at least pick up the phone. You could at least pick up the phone. Oh, मैंने उसे अभी तक नहीं उठाया. Oh, I didn't get him up yet. Oh, I didn't get him up yet. वो शायद अब भी सो रहा है. He is probably still sleeping. He is probably still sleeping. कोई हमें फंसाने की कोशिश कर रहा है. Someone is trying to frame us. Someone is trying to frame us. तुम्हें कोई अंदाज़ा है इसके पीछे कौन हो सकता है? Do you have any idea who might be behind this? Do you have any idea who might be behind this? तुम 10 घंटे से खेल रहे हो. You have been playing for 10 hours. You have been playing for 10 hours. अब जो मैं कहती हूँ तुम वैसा करोगे, समझे? Now you will do what I say. Understood? Now you will do what I say. Understood? मैं जानती हूँ वो आएगी. I know she will come. I know she will come. क्योंकि इस बार हमारे पास कोई और रास्ता नहीं बचा. Because this time we have no other option left. Because this time we have no other option left. जो हो गया तो हो गया. What's done is done. What's done is done. सिर्फ अपने काम पर ध्यान दो. Just focus on your work. Just focus on your work. अगर तुम्हारा वादा गलत निकला, if your promise turned out to be false. If your promise turns out to be false. मैं तुम्हें यहीं दफना दूंगा. I will bury you right here. I will bury you right here. तुम उनसे अकेले नहीं लड़ सकते. You can't fight them alone. You can't fight them alone. मेरी फिक्र मत करो, मुझे कुछ नहीं होगा. Don't worry about me. I will be all right. Don't worry about me. I will be all right. मुझे तुमसे कोई शिकायत नहीं है. I have no grievances against you. I have no grievances against you. मैं बहुत भाग्यशाली हूँ मुझे तुम मिले. I am so lucky that I caught you. I am so lucky that I caught you. अपना मुंह बंद रखो वरना. Keep your mouth shut or else. Keep your mouth shut or else. वरना क्या? Or else what? Or else what? उन लोगों को वहाँ से निकालो. Get those people out of there. Get those people out of there. वे मेरे साथ हैं. They are with me. They are with me. तुम शुक्रिया बोलने के बजाय मुझे डांट क्यों रहे हो? Why are you scolding me instead of saying thanks? Why are you scolding me instead of saying thanks? क्योंकि तुम किसी की सुनती नहीं हो. Because you don't listen to anybody. Because you don't listen to anybody. तुम क्या खाओगे? What will you have? What will you have? मैं कुछ नहीं चाहता मेरा पेट भरा हुआ है. I don't want anything, my stomach is full. I don't want anything, my stomach is full. कहाँ हो तुम? Where have you been? Where have you been? मैं छत पर थी हवा ले रही थी. I was up on the roof getting some air. I was up on the roof getting some air. जो तुम जानती हो मुझे बता दो. Tell me what you know. Tell me what you know. उसके सामने ही. In front of him. In front of him. शायद हमें उससे इस बारे में बात करनी चाहिए. Maybe we should talk to him about it. Maybe we should talk to him about it. हो सकता है उसके पास कहने को कुछ हो. Maybe he's got something to say. Maybe he is got something to say. जो मुझे करना पड़ा उसके लिए मुझे माफ़ कर देना. Forgive me for what I have to do. Forgive me for what I have to do. मेरे पास कोई और रास्ता नहीं था. I had no other choice. I had no other choice. वैसे तुम्हें यहाँ आने में इतना समय क्यों लगा? By the way, what took you so long to get here? By the way, what took you so long to get here? लंबी कहानी है बाद में बताऊंगा. It's a long story. I will tell you late. It's a long story. I will tell you late. मैं इस फैसले से खुश नहीं हूँ. I am not happy with this decision. I am not happy with this decision. मैं भी नहीं. Neither am I. Neither am I. जल्दी करो वरना हम लेट हो जाएंगे. Do it fast or else we will be late. Do it fast or else we will be late. बस 1 मिनट और फिर हम चलेंगे. Just a minute and then we will go. Just a minute then we will go. क्या तुम ये सोचते हो? Is that what you think? Is that what you think? हाँ मैं ऐसा ही सोचता हूँ. Yes, I do think so. Yes, I do think so. तुम इतने ज़िद्दी क्यों हो रहे हो? Why are you being so stubborn? Why are you being so stubborn? क्या तुम्हें कभी प्यार हुआ है? Have you ever been in love? Have you ever been in love? बहुत बहुत साल पहले. A long long time ago. A long long time ago. तुमने अपने बाल कब कटवाए? When did you get your hair cut? When did you get your hair cut? मैंने अपने बाल कल कटवाए थे. I got my hair cut yesterday. I got my hair cut yesterday. मुझे तुम्हारी बातों पर विश्वास नहीं है. I don't believe what you are saying. I don't believe what you are saying. ये सच है चाहे तुम मानो या ना मानो. It is true whether you believe it or not. It is true whether you believe it or not. Okay, that's all for today. So please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to give me your suggestion as a comment under this video. So good luck with your English